openness. Bless everyone who shared their blessings today. Bless our endeavors to become more successful and pleasing to you. Help us to be even more generous in order to help others in need. Make us an instrument of your kindness and love so that others